Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is continuously moving down after the meeting, OPEC meeting. What we have seen that the price and after the post election also, what we have seen that the price has made a half around 80.7, and from there is a continuous downfall we have seen. Okay, now if you look at this trend, it has already made a low of around 65.37, which is already being a weak support. So chances are very high that if the price started coming close to a level of 67, it can come and move below this particular level. And this level we have seen after a long time, so chances and can be high if started falling below a level of 65.37. This level we have seen in the month of 2023, so chances are high if the price started falling below this level, it can touch a level of 64.2 and from there a level of 63.27. okay, and if it started going below this level, a probability of going towards 62.57, and then it will go further low towards 61.87. This level is already weak, so it will touch this level and then further low. Okay, because this level we have seen in the month of June of 21, so chances are high it can go further low. But if the price sustain above a level of around $72, 71.4, that is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high the price will go further upside. So if it sustain this level, we can see a further upside movement in the price of crude. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, if you dollar index, I've clearly explained you that dollar index is trying to go higher, but after making a half around $10.20, it is continuously down. Chances are high if the price started sustaining this level, it can move towards 104, and from there a level of 104.9. After 104, we can see a level of 104.9 to a level of 106.5, and if that sustain, this particular pattern will support an upside. So chances are high it will move towards 107.4, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Okay, but if the price didn't sustain, it can move and touch a level of 107.4 to a level of 106.5, and once started going below this level, a probability of touching 106 will be there, and then a further low towards 104.5 after crossing a level of $105. Okay, so you have to understand, suppose if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of crude will go up. Similarly, if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the crude price will go down. Okay, this is what we can see. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, okay, but if suppose they both moves in same direction, so in that case, whenever you start to trade, put your SL. Okay, and once you in profit, try to trail it, so your profit will also be saved. Now coming back on the crude price, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, and chances are very high it can move towards its next resistance, that is at a level of 68.19, and if the price sustain above this level, a probability will be high that it will move above this particular level, because this level is already weak. So chances are high the price will go further upside, and from there it will touch a level of around $72.8. This $72.8 is already being tested, so the price will go further upside and it will touch a level of $74.45. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 75.34, that is already being tested, so chances are high the price will go further upside, and from there a probability of going towards a level of, after 75.34, we will see a level of $77.34, that is already being tested, so price will go further upside, and yes, it will touch a level of around 78 to a level of 79. Keeping that in mind, that as soon as the price started going up 72.8, a further upside movement we can see. But if the price sustain this level, probability is high it can touch a level of 68, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards 70.69. so if the price started after 68, we can see a level of 69, after that $70.68. so if the price sustain of 70.68, it will cross a level of 71.4, because that level is already being tested, so chances are high it will move towards 72.8, and from there we will see this pattern will support, so a further upside we can see towards 74.98, and then to a level of 75.39, and then further upside. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, as you can see, it can move further down towards a level of $66.6. Okay, that is already being weak support, so chances are high the price will go further down and it will touch a level of 65.26. And if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 64.5, and from there a level of 63.50 to a level of 62.28, and from there a level of 61.5. okay, and this level is already weak, so the price will fall further down, and yes, from there we can see a level of 61.7 to a level of 60.8, and from there it will move below a level of 62. It can touch a level of 59 to a level of 58.5 and then further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe.